Hello and good morning. Right, today we're going to make you the perfect toasted sandwich because I know that many of you out there love to make a toasted sandwich, but you haven't always got a toasted sandwich maker at hand. So therefore you need to be able to do it without that, the student way. I'm going to show you how. Right, so we're starting off here and we have got a cucumber, we've got our bread, we've got some nice cheddar cheese, spring onions, nice local ham, tomato from the garden, a bit of my wife's famous runner bean chutney, salad cream because I don't really like mayonnaise, clover because I don't really use butter, and then just add in there, and we're going to have some mustard in there as well. Right, so these are all the ingredients. Obviously you can add whatever you like. Now when I do a sandwich, I like it to be stuffed full. So this is what we're going to start with. We're going to have our bread, cucumber, some finest David Stowe cheddar cheese, spring onions, tomato from their garden, some fine cured ham, my wife's famous runner bean chutney, a little bit of salad cream, clover because I just prefer that to butter, but of course you can use butter, and English mustard. Right, here we go. This is how we're going to do it. Okay, so here we go. What we first thing to do is to make sure that you've got your bread square to each other and then fold it out, because we then know that the two outsides are going to be the main outside. So here we go, we take the butter. Now what's very important here is that we get it right to the edges, because we don't want to burn the bread. There's plenty of it, keep it to the edges. All sandwiches should be like this anyway. So many people miss the edges out. That. If you're using straight butter straight out of the fridge, well, good luck to you to be able to do this and spread it so easily on fresh bread. A bit more in the middle there. Perfect. Right, so that's that. That's what we've got. Now we're just going to speed the whole process up as we chop away all the little ingredients and get those all put onto the sandwich. So the cucumber, the tomato, the cheese, the onion, the whole lot. Get it all in there. Lovely. Right, now we're going to put some sour cream, mix it with some mustard, get that all to the edges as well. Pickle, a little bit of salt and pepper, I think it's needed here as well. Some of that, lovely. That's what the doctor ordered. Right, now for the magic ingredient, we've got to get a nice bird's eye chili. This stops other people from pinching your sandwiches, I'll tell you. Chop it up as finely as you can. Seeds and all, got to have a little bit of heat. Chop, chop, chop. Lovely. That'll be enough. Right, I'll get it in there. Sprinkle that over the actual sandwich, that'll be lovely. Let's do it in the way now. Whoa, I can taste it already. Right, now we can put the other piece of bread on the top. And we are ready to go. Let's get the oven on. Right, now we've got the pan, which is now at about Mach 7. So we're now going to take our sandwich and place it right on there like that. Now as you can see, this pan bits here. Slot those back in. About 5 minutes aside. When it really toasted, we've got to do a little bit more. Loosen some bits here. In you go. Heating up nicely now. I like to turn it a few times, just see how things are going. Look at that. We need to cook this a little bit slowly because we need to make sure that all the cheese melts. And the mature cheddar cheese doesn't melt quite as quickly as some of your plastic cheeses. So I don't want to do. Oh yeah, I think I'm ready. That's the good thing about all the butter on the outside. You see, it stops it from burning. Right then, okay. Right, now we're going to do. A serrated knife will for both of these instances. Okay, so what we'll do now, transfer that to the plate, like so. Look at that. I'll tell you what, that now that is the perfect toasted sandwich, isn't it? Hey, isn't that? Look, a glass of wine with a bit of Melba. Now look at that for the perfect sandwich. But if you were to serve that up in a van outside in the town somewhere, they'd be queued up trying to buy these, wouldn't they? Well, we're going to try this now. And now, as they say, for the moment of truth. Look at that. I just have a look at that. Oh gosh. That, my friends, is one of the best toasted sandwiches you ever make. Take it from me. Now, I'm not going to tell you to hit the like and subscribe button. Early days for me. I was talking to some of my other friends, and you would think that it costs you a fiver every time you clicked it, because you don't want to push it, do you? No, they don't. Not unless it's something styling. Do you feel startled today? If you do, do it. If you don't, don't. And it's one of those things you can make on a budget, or you can go mad with all your posh ingredients. It's up to you. Mary Berry, eat your heart out. A little bit of the Ribena, just to wash it down. Don't let your mother ever tell you that Ribena is not good for you. Oh! Well, what should we make next? I'm still going. There's nectar. A word of warning for you guys out there. After you've been doing the chili without gloves on, do not go to the toilet pulling out on Morton without washing your hands first. Yeah, he looked at me and said, what do you think you're doing? Sorry, mate.